Welcome to Teen Tip Tuesday, demonstrating everyday life skills. The more we know, the better we live. Brought to you by OSU Extension.
Hi, I'm Larissa Dunphy, Family and Consumer Science Educator in Beaumont County. And today's teen tip is how to check the oil in your car, featuring my daughter Lydia.
Step 1. Park your car on a level ground. Make sure the engine has been turned off for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Step 2. Locate the hood release button inside your car. Step 3. Release the hood safety lock to open the hood. Make sure you have a clean paper towel or cloth to clean off the dipstick. Step 4. Find the dipstick labeled engine oil. It usually has a colored handle. Step 5. Pull the dipstick out and clean it with a paper towel or cloth. Then push it back in all the way. Remove it again. Keep the tip down and check the level at the bottom of the stick. Your oil should be visible between the full and low marks. Some vehicle dipsticks may have dots, lines, or crosshatches like this one to indicate oil levels. Close the lid and you're all done, but remember to check the oil in your car at least once a month.